Hello everybody. Guess what we are doing today? We are doing cool sculpting for the under chin. And what is cool sculpting? Cool sculpting is a non-surgical treatment that we do to reduce fat content in any area. So a lot of fat is good for us because our body requires fat, but there are certain areas where once fat accumulates, it is unnecessary. We don't really need those reserves because once upon a time human beings didn't have food all the time, but now we have like an overload of food everywhere. So some of these fat reserves we don't need. Some of the most common area that really people wonder about is the under chin fat area, and that is something that is we have also increasingly become tech neck, so all the time we are looking down, so we tend to develop a pocket of fat under our chin. Now this fat is not healthy because especially when you're sleeping, it can obstruct your breathing and can be one of the contributing factors in sleep apnea. And sleep apnea, if you develop any problems with your sleep, including breathing problems, something like that, it's going to lead to you not breathing well during sleep, which will make you tired the next day, and that will lead to even more weight gain because people, when they're tired, they go and eat bullshit stuff. So that is why some of these treatments that we offer, even though they're not covered by insurance, are so popular because people don't want to get sick, and this is something that helps you at times. So this is like a cool sculpting under chin. Is like a 45-minute procedure. Many people will need more than one procedure. Most people I know end up requiring at least 3 or 4 of these procedures, probably over a period of a couple of years, and it will keep getting rid of it because now, without surgery, without cutting, without seeing a drop of blood, you can remove fat, and you don't have to take even a single day off because even if there might be a tiny bit of swelling, nobody will know, and a lot of people do it even in summertime, so, and she will start noticing results. Now the results may vary because if you're eating a lot of sugar, if you're drinking a lot of alcohol and stuff, your results may vary. So I'm going to quickly show you what the procedure is like. I'm not going to show you my client's face, but this is it. There is no numbing required for this procedure, and so she cannot move. How are you? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Is it even need a little more gel here?
Sure.
Tiny bit more. So it's not gonna hurt. It's not gonna hurt her. We'll keep it for 45 minutes. She just has to be like an Egyptian mummy right now for next 45 minutes, and then we'll take it off and we'll massage the area, and she's done. A procedure like this should cost you like around between $650 to $750, and sometimes on sale you can even find it for $600. If it is less than that, please figure out why. There you go. It has been on, and we're going to just set it up. There you go. And we're turning it on. So that's it. It's on, and she's on. I'm gonna give her call button. So she's gonna, here's your call button, and I'm gonna put it here just in case you need us. Press that button, and somebody's gonna be inside. We'll just meditate for 45 minutes, and we'll see you. And that's it. So if you have any questions, call us, and our consultations are free. Sometimes people who are claustrophobic, they cannot take this, and then they have to get other treatment. It is not recommended for some people also, but most people I know, the recommendations are there. So if you have like allergies to cold, or if you turn blue, or if you have like, you know, there is a disease called Raynaud's disease where if your fingertips turn blue and stuff. So if you have that, sometimes this may not be the right procedure for you, but most of the people we know can do it. And plus also, if you're like a heavy drinker, heavy sugar intake person and stuff like that, then you'll probably need more treatments than a normal person. That is it, and we will see you soon.